Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm comparing my Poco F2 Pro against the LG V60 ThinQ. This video part will be in 4K at 60 frames per second. Yes, I'm just walking around this lake or park with the lake. Pond, whatever you want to call this thing. Y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Yes, I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth just so we can get an idea of which one has the better mics. I don't know, I think the V60 will win in the mic game because the V60 has some great mics, but we won't know until I get into the computer. But what y'all think so far? I don't know, they look pretty good by what I'm seeing on the phones. What do y'all think? I don't know. Y'all let me know. I like having a discussion. I like both of these phones. Y'all know I'm a LG fanboy, but this Poco F2 has been pretty good so far. Not gonna lie. Not going to lie. But yeah, y'all let me know. Look, slow pan. And yes, people are fishing over there, so they probably like, what is this guy doing talking to both phones? It is what it is. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30 frames. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the 4K at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm just walking, holding the phones. Slow pan, because people like slow pans. Do you see any type of jumping, any type of jittering? Y'all let me know. Again, how's the audio on both phones? I'm just holding the phones, walking around. I don't have no type of gimbals, no type of stabilization on either one. Let's see, any focusing problems? They actually look pretty good. So at 4K at 30 frames, they both should have stabilization on, so we can definitely take a look. I'm stepping in a branch. Do you have either one of these phones? Y'all let me know in the comments. Also, we're gonna pick a winner at the end of this whole video, because on my channel, we don't have participation medals. We have winners and losers. Unfortunately, that's how it is. How's the ground? I know the V60 has some great cameras. The Poco phone, the F2 Pro, the camera seemed really good. How is that wind? Because it is windy in Texas again. It's probably about 100 degrees or something. 97, 98. But again, I'm just walking around the park, minding my business, shooting some video. I hope y'all enjoy these comparison videos because they do take a lot to put up, a lot goes into it. Hours and hours of video, and I won't say hours of video, but hours of editing and then just making the videos. But y'all let me know how this was. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Something I didn't mention in any part of the first videos is that I don't have a limit on any of these recordings. So 4K at 60, 4K at 30, 1080p at 60, no type of limits on either phone, which is a good thing. Because back in the day, people or the manufacturers were putting, limit times like 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. I think HTC used to have like 6 minutes. Something like that. But you can shoot all the 4K 60 goodness like Android Stud says and not have a problem. But y'all let me know how this whole video was. How do you think the 4K did? How do you think both cameras are doing now? Again, I'm holding both phones. Stabilization might be on the V60. On the Poco F2, it doesn't seem like it has any type of stabilization at 60 frames. Could be mistaken though. Any focusing problems? My V60 seems a little slow there. I don't know. What y'all think? Took a little bit of time. That was something new. I wasn't expecting that. But that's why I do these videos. Compare. And I'm stuck on a branch that it has thorns in it. Great. But y'all let me know. I'm going to come back with 1080p at 30 frames. And y'all can let me know how that was. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 30 frames per second on both phones. What do y'all think? How does everything look? I think everything looks pretty damn well. But y'all let me know. That's why I do these videos, so people can pick a winner. Give me your opinions on each phone. Like I said, the audio also plays a major role on why people pick up phones. And stabilization and everything else. So y'all let me know. Do you have either one of these phones, or you plan to pick up either one of these phones? Because so far, the V60 is probably one of my favorite phones of the year. And I'm enjoying the Poco F2 Pro. Also, I'm enjoying the TCL 10 Pro. Yes, I know they sent it out to me. I need to do a camera test with that one too. I was waiting for an update because they said an update was coming, so. But I'm going to do that camera test soon too. But y'all let me know how this was. And I'm going to come with the front-facing cameras too next, so that way we can see the front cameras. How's that ground look? Besides the trash. Some people don't pick up their damn trash around here. Damn, I don't know why people don't take care of the shit. Sorry about the cursing, but y'all let me know. The trash in the park really irks my nerves. I might come back and do a wide angle video just so y'all can see that. On the V60, I can switch up the camera lenses. The Poco F2 Pro, I cannot do that while recording. So I'll be right back. I might actually do the wide angle lens just to see. But until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so a little bit extra. This is the wide angle lens on both phones. What do y'all think? Again, I'm not going to say how it sounds. I'm not really worried about the audio. But how does everything look? Wide angle for the win. Hopefully Google finds that out too. Because, you know, people was making fun of the Pixel for not having a wide angle lens. So hopefully they learned their lesson. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this wide angle on both phones. I'm going to come back with the front facing camera next. Until then, peace. I'm out of here.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on each phone. Look, I almost stepped in the hole. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How do I sound? And how did this whole video come out so far? Do you think that you can stay with the Poco phone? Or do you think my LG does a better job? I'm shooting this in 1080p at 30 frames on both phones. Yes, I made it even. The V60 can shoot up to 60 frames per second in 4K, but I was trying to make a fair battle. I don't know, what y'all think? How do I look? Look at this. Look at the sky in the background. I don't know. I think everything looks pretty good. Now, LG is, their front cameras are probably the weakest part of the phone, but is it weaker than my Poco phone? I don't know. And yes, I'm holding both phones, talking and walking around. Look, there's holes all around this park. So I don't know. What y'all think? I'm gonna come with some photos next, so that way y'all can check out the photos, daytime photos. I'm gonna have nighttime later on in the video, but I don't know. I look pretty good on both phones by what I'm seeing. Until you get it to the computer, then you really know. So I'm gonna come back with photos, and then I'm gonna come back with some nighttime video too. But y'all let me know. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames on the V60 and also the Poco F2 Pro. I'm walking around my famous Big Lots and little shopping center. There's Walmart over there. Y'all let me know, how does I sound? How does everything look? How does these lights mess with these phones? Can you actually use both of these phones to film? I'm enjoying both of these phones, like I was saying earlier. What y'all think about the video so far? Do you have a favorite phone yet? Do you think you know which one you want to pick as a winner? Look, massage. I don't know if that place is if it's open because of, you know, what's going on. But which one looks the best? Which one's doing a better overall job? And how's the stabilization? Yes, it rained earlier today, or earlier tonight. It's about 12 o'clock Central Time. 12 o'clock in the morning. It's the only time to do these videos, right? But again, let's pick a winner. Man, actually both look really good. But the Poco F2 Pro looks like it's doing a better job with the lights. Oh, y'all seen that? Y'all just seen that. I seen that. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna come with the front facing camera next. Until then, peace.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on both phones. How do I look and how do I sound? What y'all thought about this whole video? I mean, I've been doing it for a while now, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Who was the winner? Who did an overall better job? My V60 or my Poco F2 Pro? Can a Poco phone for $499 hang with the LG V60, which is supposed to be a flagship phone. I don't know. How do I look? I think everything looks pretty good so far on both phones. I'm enjoying both phones like I've been saying in this whole video. But what y'all think? I don't know. Let's get a discussion going. Yes, it kind of rained out here earlier tonight. And yes, I'm stepping on some rocks. So I'm going to look down for a little bit. But y'all let me know how this whole video was. Let's pick a winner. And let's get a friendly discussion going. Which one? Could you live with either one? If you pick a winner, do you really think it's that much of a winner? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Also, let me know what other type of videos you want to see from both phones. And I will try to do. I need to do a gaming review on both phones too. But this is a camera comparison. How was it? I'm going to come back with some low light and nighttime photos. That way we can pick a winner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Follow me on Twitter at @ForzReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace.